how to convert minutes to hours, specifically how to convert 180 minutes to hours. Let me write the information given. 180 minute as like this. Would like to cancel this minute, so minute related site from this conversion equation will come at the bottom. Minute related site is 60 minutes and hour related site will be at the top. Now cancel this minute with this minute. So now we have 180 at the top hour, then 60 times 1, 60 at the bottom. Cancel this 0. So we are getting this. Now divide this 18 by 2 will get 9. Divide this 6 by 2 you will get 3. Now divide this 3 by 3 you will get 1. Divide this 9 by 3 you will get 3. So basically we are getting 3 hours. So our answer is 3 hours.